bird and the glass. This is a bird. Look at the bird's beak. Is it long or short? Look at the bird's legs. Are they long or short?
Is this
bird a skunk? No, it's not a skunk. What color is it? What color is the bird's beak? The bird in the sky. Look at the bird. The sky is blue. Can you see a cloud? They are white. Can you see a cloud? Can you see the cloud? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. It is very hot and tired.
the bird is very hot.
The bird is very hot and tired. Looking for some water. The bird is looking down. Is there a river?
What can
What can you see? Is there a river?
it can see trees?
It can see trees and houses.
Is there
a river? There is going down.
Water
There is water in a river. No, it is not a river.
It is a road.
It is a road. There is no water. The bird is very tired and very hot. Look, the bird is looking down. What can you see? What can you see? Looking.
It can see
the sea. Look at the sea. Look at the ships. There is water
in
the sea, but the bird cannot drink it. There is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird.
What can
you see?
the bird?
What can the bird see now? It can see a house. There is table near the house. The bird is going down. Now we can see a house. There is door and the window. The window
Near
the table. Near the window is a table.
there
is
a glass.
There is a glass on the table. There is some water in the glass. At the bottom of the glass.
Near one leg
of the window.
Of the table.
There is a bowl. It is dog's bowl. There is that water